Welcome to How to Do It with Hoonuit. I'm Jane, one of the Adult Services librarians here at the Longwood Public Library, and I'd like to introduce you to Hoonuit, an on-demand, video-based how-to training resource available for free to patrons of the Longwood Public Library. Hoonuit offers unlimited access to thousands of short videos covering more than 500 of today's most popular software applications on both PCs and Macs. All the latest offerings, such as Microsoft, Apple, Google, and more, are included. Access to valuable career training can improve your job skills with in-depth training on Excel and Photoshop, or learn valuable social media techniques with tutorials on Twitter, blogging, and podcasting. Mobile training lets you learn how to use mobile products such as iPhones, iPads, and tablets. It's accessible from anywhere. You can watch videos at the library or remotely at home or on the go. And videos are ADA accessible with closed captioning on all videos. So let's get started. It's easy to access Hoonuit. You can visit the Longwood Public Library's homepage at www.longwoodlibrary.org and then hover over Classes and Events. In the middle column under Online Learning, you can click on Classes and Tutorials. From there, you'll click on the Hoonuit logo. In order to utilize Hoonuit, you will need to create an account. By clicking on the Create New Account button in the top right corner, you'll find a field for you to enter your library card number. You're going to enter your first name, last name, email address, confirm your email address, create a password, and then confirm the password. Click on the blue Create Account box, and you're good to go. Since I already have an account, I can just click on Login instead. I'll enter my username, which is the email address that I used to create my account, and my password. Click on the blue Login box, and you're in. If you find it necessary in the future to update your email or password, you can do so by clicking on the person icon in the top right corner and selecting My Account. Don't forget to click on the blue Update Profile box when you're done making changes. In order to return to Hoonuit, click on RB Digital Gateway up in the top left corner. Let's take a look around the Hoonuit website. Hoonuit may not look fancy with lots of bells and whistles, but it certainly gets the job done with over 50,000 2 to 3 minute easily accessible software and technology training videos. Clicking on the Hoonuit image will bring you to the home page. If you already know what kind of class you're looking for, enter it in the search bar on top. Otherwise, clicking on the menu icon to the left of the search bar will bring a short list of categories that you can browse. Clicking on View All Categories at the bottom of the list brings you to an extensive list of topics. By clicking on a topic, you'll be able to view all the different learning modules within that topic. Let's try clicking on Microsoft Outlook. The modules can be sorted by clicking on the Sort By box and selecting either alphabetically or most recent. A short description accompanies the title and author listing, as well as the hours earned for the module. I'll go into more detail on individual courses later. Returning to the home page, there are subsections designed to help you find the training you need. Pathways are a curated curriculum designed to teach someone a specific talent or skill that can be used in a specific program. Recently viewed and recent assignments easily recall where you left off. Explore Our Top Modules allows you to select a category like career skills, software and technology, programming, mobile devices, or design, and be shown the most popular modules in that category. You can browse by clicking the arrows on the right in order to navigate slides with course names and earned hours. When you reach the end of the top modules offerings, you can access all the other tutorials in that category by clicking on the Show 42 More slide. Newly Added showcases the new and exciting pathways and modules that Hoonuit has created. One last thing I'd like to show you on the home page before we dive into a class is if you go up to the top right corner and click on your ID, you'll see it will bring you a menu. You can click on Pathways, which will show all available pathways that you can explore. You can also click on Accomplishments, which will show you any certificates that you've earned. Clicking on Reports shows you a history of any classes that you've taken. Favorites are any modules that you like to go back to. Assignments will show you any work that you had to do for a particular course. And then, of course, you can always go to either Profile and Log Out. Now, let's take a look at how classes are actually presented on Hoonuit. I've decided that I could use some brushing up on my Office 365 skills. I'm going to type that into the search bar, and now I can see all the classes having to do with Office 365. After browsing, I can decide which one is the right one for me, and I'm going to click on this first one here, Office 365 Getting Started. When you enter a course, the author provides a short description of the application and what you can expect to learn by completing the course. But what I really love about Hoonuit is on the right side of the screen. Under Learn It, Hoonuit breaks the topic into sections, like Introducing Office 365, and within those sections, further breaks topics down into short, specific segments. This allows you to learn or review a specific task without needing to search and view the entire course. This is super helpful for someone who may already be familiar with Office 365, but wants to learn how to use a certain function, like setting a signature or an out-of-office reply. If you're taking the course for certification purposes or just want to review and quiz yourself, clicking on Prove It after you complete a section will activate a quiz on that particular section. You can start your assessment, click to begin the multiple choice or true-false questions, and continue until you complete the quiz. Let's take a moment to look a little closer at Pathways. Click on your ID and then Pathways. Here you'll see that Hoonuit has gathered learning modules around specific topics of interest to create individual learning paths. Each pathway includes required modules, optional elective modules, and a transcript of your work. When you click on a particular topic, you'll see a list of what the outcomes should be, everything that will be covered in the pathway, the specific modules that are required, and electives, and you can access them the same way as we did before with the individual courses by clicking on Learn It and seeing the sections and subsections available. As a reminder, you can always access the full list of learning modules available from Hoonuit by clicking on the menu icon and view all categories. Whether it's Adobe, Microsoft, Google, Apple, Hoonuit probably has a learning module to help you. I hope you've learned something new about Hoonuit today. And as always, if you experience any difficulties accessing or navigating Hoonuit or any of our other online services, please call us at 631-924-6400 extension 250 or email us at askus@longwoodlibrary.org and a librarian will be happy to assist you. Stay healthy and safe, and thanks for watching.